In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to install OneDrive in Windows laptop or PC. So let's get started. First thing, just search for OneDrive download. We'll be having the official link from Microsoft.com. Just select it, and here we are having the option download OneDrive. Just click it. The download will be getting started. The setup file is around 97 MB, so just be patient for a while. Once the download is complete, just open it. We'll be getting this OneDrive setup and we are getting things ready for you. So just be patient. And if I go to search and type OneDrive, I'll be having this OneDrive app. We can simply open it. We'll be getting an interface saying sign in to OneDrive. Here, just enter your existing email address, or in case if you want to create a new account, you can simply click on create account. After you sign in, just click on next. I will just leave it to the default don't send. Just click on next. And we'll be getting our OneDrive folder. If you want to change it, you can change the location. Just select next. In case if you want to back up any of these existing files or folders, you can do that. That's totally up to you. I don't want to do that, so I will just click on next. And if you want to upgrade it, you can do this. I don't want that. And just an example that they have given, we can simply move files into the OneDrive folder, drag and drop, copy paste, and just put it to OneDrive. So I'll just click next. This is also a similar feature. Select next. Click on next. If you want a mobile app, you can even use it. That's up to you. And finally it says your OneDrive is ready for you. Just select open my OneDrive folder. And as you can see here, we will be having in the file explorer a separate folder called as OneDrive. You can simply add your files and folders inside it. And here also we will be having that OneDrive icon like this. If you want to open that, you can open, and we'll be getting an interface like this. If you directly click on the icon that we are having over here, you can even try signing in OneDrive in the browser also, or the mobile app. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.